problem that's the only one that gets
Well, the other ones get on fire. And turn around, he's going to show you the description, but it's basically, now we change the typography to what humanity causes.
So we're traveling down the tunnel, and then like it's showing us, you know, us getting comfortable with like the culture. So we first read a little, okay, slide. So we first read a little book, you know, and then now we realize that they're just saying it's right.
So you're very thirsty because you've just been like around this place for super long and there's no sign of life anywhere. So
That looks
you're
sincere,
just
so
like
Ooh,
drinking.
it's acid. You should drink that.
So it kind of just shows like how easy it is to avoid like polluting the water. You just have to kind of go up to the trash can and put your plastic things.
Like, better goes to recycling because it goes to trash can.
Yes.
Well, no, you cannot take them out. No,
What?
you can't eat it.
Don't eat them out. Don't try to eat them.
And you need passion to, well, just to do your hobbies. And then, yeah, the most obvious is probably going to be time. And this is for bowling, and it takes time to master something, a skill.